Good afternoon, my friends. It's been over 2 years since I have done a video about my car. I had the car washed a good couple of hours ago. It's very hot, it's still 21 degrees, and it's just past 7 o'clock in the evening. And this is the right time actually to take care of the car. I got this product actually from Auto Finesse. They call the Art of Detailing, Glisten. This is a spray wax. You can buy in paste. This is a spray. What I think it's easier for me. So I got my cloth and I got this spongy thing that is covered with the cloth material. Pretty cool actually. And I'm gonna take care of my car because it's been 2 years. It's got lots of lacquer coming off, and is the right time to do. I prefer to do the end of the day because with the heat of the day it leaves marks on a car. So do in the morning or do the end of the day, like evening. Right now we got long days, so why not to do it? Let's make this car shine again. You can see here, guys, look how bad it is. Especially this area here, I got on the other side and some parts. So this is a very old car, 2002, but actually the paint is still in very good condition. I don't have even rust in my car apart from underneath of you. So I do need to take care of the car. It's good to do that at least once every 6 months. It's always good to read the information about how to apply. So it says, direction for use. Ensure the vehicle is clean and dry before application. I did say the car has been washed well over actually 5 hours, so it's more than dry, and I've been traveling. Spray a light mist over approximately half a panel at a time. Why is that? Because if I start to spray a lot, by the time, let's presume I started here in the back and I continue to spray and spray, when I come here it would be too hard, it would be a bad job. So you'll have to do small areas at a time. When I wax my car myself, I did 2 years ago, and I did with a paste wax, not with a spray. I want to see how good actually it is as well. I feel the difference, but it's not a huge difference from the paste one. From the paste one you can see really shining. But it's not too bad because I feel the way the cloth is slippery. to do is to put some tire dressing. That it will make look good in a car, especially after been cleaned and washed, but it will protect actually your tires, and it looks amazing too. I hope you enjoy this video. The car looks 10 times better, but actually the paint is in a bad condition. It needs to be polished actually with a tar bar because the paint is contaminated, so I do need to pay actually professional to do a job. The car is getting close to 200,000 miles, so it's 20 years old or 21. I think it still looks good. It looks better, but I would say this liquid wax is not good for an old car like mine, but maybe for a new-ish car, and even if you had your car wrapped like I had with the Audi, would be actually quite good. I finish by putting this product on a tire dressing because it looks nice, and you know what? It lasts 10 times. It can last actually up to 2 weeks. You know, when you pay to have your car washed, they do put it, but they mix them perhaps with a different product. It's very liquid, and on the same day it disappears. The other thing is the liquid wax that I apply in my car did smell so nice, so that was a bonus. Hope you enjoy it. It's always good for your car. Don't come and be negative and say, oh, I didn't do the right way, I did this way, I didn't do. It doesn't matter, it's my car. That is the way I like it. I feel I did a good job. Hope you enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.